Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to cancel OCBC credit card using the hotline. So in order to do that, first of all, launch open a web browser. Soon after you do that, go to the URL box and type in ocbc.com and search. You will then find yourself in the official website for OCBC Bank of Singapore. From the main homepage, go ahead and scroll down and look for the Contact Us tab. You will then be able to see hotline numbers associated with each banking types. You will then be able to see hotline numbers on the screen. Go ahead and click on one of the hotline number and select it. Make a phone call to the number, but remember that you should choose the number depending upon your location. After you go ahead and make a phone call, tell the customer service representative that you'd like to cancel your credit card via hotline. You'll also need to verify your identity by providing security information about your account. So that way you will be able to cancel OCBC credit card using the OCBC customer service hotline. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.